Morning guys, so Philofi Adventures here. Riding into the hills today to Holwell, and wanted to come along with me, so I'm just packing some stuff today. I'm trying to pack a little light because cat food, as always, you never know when you're going to see those strays, and trying to fit everything in here. This is my old helmet that I had when I had my scooter before I sell it. So now I'm just using this to rental from Ari Motors. It was nice enough to lend it to me. So guys, so when you visit Jamaica, guys, you can definitely check out Ari Motor Tours. I'll leave a link in the description. They do bike rentals. So best I can fit these things inside here. There you go. I will, thanks. Doggy. All right. Turn up to the side. As we are here. Alright, let me just put on the other camera so you guys can have a better view of what's going on. We are on our way to Blue Mountain. We're heading up to Holwell to do some cooking. Really what I wanted to do is to take a giant squid to grill, but as the space, I have to pack a little lighter, so. Look on that view, guys. Look on that. Rock slide. It's very dangerous out here whenever it rains. And I am holding up traffic, guys. Oh, sheeps. Hi. Hello. You coming? Come here. I don't think they'll come to me. Hi. Hi. Okay, carry on. Bye. You know, is you are talking about. So speaking of Arikal, is you are mentioning right now.
Sorry, I'm in your video.
Arikal. No, you're not. You're good? Yeah, it feels good.
Alright.
I'm just gonna go for maybe 2 hours and head back down.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Later. So that's Arikal, guys. Change the batteries for now, and change the batteries. Cedar wood is so strong. Ooh. Smell of nature. Made it to Holwell. We're a couple thousand feet up above sea level. I'm gonna see if I can ride to the spot that I wanna go to start some. The road is really bad right here, but I'm gonna try around that side first. Alright guys, I have cat food as usual, and I brought some whole and some chicken. So we're gonna see if we can start a fire around that side. Yeah, fog is clearing up. Wait, did I take the lighter? Let me check. Okay, yeah, I have it with me. All right, we are in luck. And guys, I have a little pot set. Yeah, so the plan was to actually take a giant squid with me to cook, but as you can see, the space is limited, and yeah, so we're here. It's so peaceful. I got this scooter from Motors, so if you're interested in rentals and stuff whenever you do your travels, you can always link him up. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks to Kyle. So go and check out the link, guys. And he also does tours, so if you're interested in mountain tours and all of that. All right, so I'm gonna get started. Let me see where I'm gonna set up camp. All right, good. Can just, yeah, okay. See if I can make a fire right here. And if it rains, well, I have a shelter. Yeah, guys, so okay. Main bird. Okay, cool. All right. I didn't take the word with me this time, guys. So this time I have a little pot set here, a little kettle. I'll show you what I want. This is what is going on, guys. I have a little cute little kettle. Oh, and seasoning. This seasoning on a knife from grape thermos. All right, I think that's it. Let's make fire. Still not thawed out properly. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna do much talking in this video. Just want you to be at peace and enjoy. I want you to feel like you're here with me. So let's just take it easy and just do some cooking. Whoa. Gosh. Guys, get it in there. Such a beautiful day. A lot of hummingbird and all of that. Lots of birds around. Look how quick the fog is moving. That's so fast. So because I ride here, I had to take this mini tripod, and this is giving me a warm time trying to get the angles right. Oh man. Alright, so I'm gonna look the sticks. Let's try and find some little twigs, little dry twigs. Holwell National Park, guys. Love it here. So the small ones are better, so I've been told. Look like I'm building a bird nest here. Oh, I should have lighted the fire before I put this on, right? Okay. Gonna have to take this off back. Okay. Do not out. Oh man. Don't. Hey, I'm rushing to not let this fire out that I not even remember to be recording. Oh gosh. You can do it. We need to eat today. Oh. Time running out. Yes. Now we're talking. The amount of running up and down. I doing to build one little fire. Alright. Okay. Guys, definitely have a special oh, I need to fill this with some water. Definitely have some special appreciation when you do stuff like this, you know. No, I think I'm just gonna have to go home, finish cooking this chicken, and just have my tea because time is running out and I don't want night to catch me on the scooter. And I take like 5 hours to start this fire and it not staying lit. Having a bad fire day, so I think I might just have to carry the chicken home and finish cooking. Yeah, we can at least we'll have ginger tea and a cookie. I have a backup, so we're not gonna eat any food right now because it's getting late. At least we have tea, you know. One of the questions that I get asked a lot is if I'm afraid to do things alone. The answer to that is why no, because I'm comfortable doing things alone, I guess. I don't feel much fear. When I do feel fear, like I just think of it as a chance to grow and evolve. Just take it on and just do it. Yes, guys, so we're currently 3,000 feet above sea level right now. It's just so peaceful. Well, I hope this video brought you some peace and relaxation. It's rough sometimes, all the hustle and bustle. So guys, thanks for spending the day with me. The chicken didn't turn out as I wanted it to. But what can I say? Cheers. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more exploring and probably fly the drone, and yeah. I just wanted to show you a different side of Jamaica, and I hope that this video has brought you some peace. And as always, I appreciate you all, and if you like, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.